Hello guys, I'm Aight and welcome back to my channel. Today's videos bring 3 excellent opportunities for software developers, front-end developers and full-stack developers. The first opening is offering up to 12 LPA for software engineers. The second opening is with EA healthcare startup looking for React developers, and third one is a completely remote full-stack internship where you will get hands-on experience on modern SaaS and generative AI products. If you are a fresher or an early career developer trying to enter software engineering, then make sure to watch this video till the end because each opportunity targets a very different skill set. As always, all the application link in the description box. Now let's start with the first opportunity, and this one is from Aight for the role of Software Engineer 1. This position is based in Gurgaon and offers an estimated salary between 8 to 12 LPA. Now, what makes this opportunity different is the type of product you will be actually building. This company is developing India's AI infrastructure platform that helps businesses deploy and manage large language models in production. Instead of building a simple website or dashboard, you will work on backend systems that power AI applications at scale. That means you will contribute to systems responsible for AI routing, provider integration, billing infrastructure, tenant management, and scalable backend APIs. This is exactly the kind of engineering experience many startups look for today. Now let's talk about your responsibilities. You will develop and extend backend services using fast APIs and PostgreSQL. You will build usage metering systems, billing services, GST invoicing, and tenant management features. You will integrate multiple AI providers including OpenAPI, Anthropic, and 11 Labs. Apart from that, you will actually work on observability, rate limiting, routing logic, and secure multi-tenant architecture. You will also design REST APIs, collaborate directly with the founder on architecture decisions, and deploy product services using Docker, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud infrastructure. Now, coming to the required skills, the company is looking for candidates with knowledge of Python, FastAPI, Node.js, JavaScript, PostgreSQL, SQL, Docker, cloud platforms, multi-threading, and React.js. Knowledge of AI APIs, LLMs, payment systems, or billing platforms is a bonus but not mandatory. Here in the description, they have mentioned no experience is required, but also they have mentioned that 1+ year of experience in backend systems. So, if you have built projects according to that, that will be good for you. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity. This one is from Foxo for the role of Frontend Engineering Intern. This internship is based in Bangalore with remote flexibility depending on the team. Foxo is building an AI powered healthcare platform focused on delivering personalized health experiences using modern technology. If you are someone who enjoys front end development and wants to build production ready applications instead of practicing projects, this internship is definitely worth checking out. Let's see what you will actually do in this role. You will be building front end applications using React and TypeScript. You will create reusable UI components that can be used across multiple parts of the application. You will integrate front end applications with backend APIs, collaborate closely with product managers, designers, and AI teams, and continuously improve application performance and user experience. You will also participate in debugging, testing, and technical design reviews. In short, you will experience the complete front-end development lifecycle rather than only writing UI code. Now let's look at the required skills. The company expects candidates to know React.js, TypeScript, JavaScript, responsive design, and state management. Additionally, knowledge of Next.js, React Query, Redux, Zestland, Tailwind CSS, or authentication systems will definitely strengthen your profile. One important point you should remember before applying: the company specifically asks applicants to have practical React experience. This does not necessarily mean professional work experience. If you have built good personal projects, participated in hackathons, or contributed to open source, you can still qualify. So before applying, spend some time polishing your GitHub repos and portfolios because they can significantly improve your chances. Another great advantage of this internship is that strong performers may receive a full-time offer for a front-end engineer after the internship. Now let's talk about the third and final opportunity. This one is from Hyve AI Labs for the role of full-stack intern. This internship is completely remote and candidates from India as well as UAE can apply. The stipend ranges between 8 to 15,000 per month. Although the company operates from Dubai, interns work remotely while collaborating with the engineering team. If you have been looking for a startup where you can learn both software engineering and AI together, this could be an excellent opportunity. Now let's understand the responsibilities. You will build front-end applications using React.js and Next.js. You will develop backend APIs using Python with FastAPI or Django, and you will integrate APIs, create interactive dashboards, work with PostgreSQL or MongoDB databases, and develop AI-powered features using OpenAI models and prompt engineering techniques. So, unlike many internships where you are limited to a single technology, this role gives exposure across front end, back end, databases, and Gen AI. Coming to the required skills, the company is looking for candidates with basic knowledge of React.js or Python, REST APIs, Git, GitHub, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, along with an interest in AI technologies like LLMs, RAG, LangChain, and prompt engineering. Now, don't worry if you don't already know every single AI framework mentioned here. The company mainly expects candidates to have strong learning ability and a genuine interest in AI and SaaS development. Since this is a startup, you will learn by actually building products instead of only learning documentation. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities for today's video. If you are interested in backend engineering, scalable systems or Python development, go for the first one. And if your passion is front-end development, then go for the second. And if you want to become a complete full stack developer and that too in a Gen AI technology, third opportunity is best for you. As I always say, don't limit yourself to applying for just one opportunity. Apply to every opportunity that matches your skills because the more quality applications you submit, the better your chances getting interview calls. At the same time, continuously improve your projects, fundamentals, and communication abilities. These small improvements make a huge difference during interviews. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.